Now I want to show how to set up Windows by Pan Derive. Let's see. We have to need img burnsoft, power ISO soft and Windows file. Download img burnsoft from their website. And also download Power ISO soft from their website. I am already download and install img burnsoft and Power ISO soft. That is Windows folder which directly copy from Windows DVD. First open the img burn application and click on Create Image File from folder. Select the source file path. My source file Windows 8.1 is located on desktop. Select the output file location. I am select desktop. This is normal Windows folder. We have to convert it ISO format. Rename the file Windows Pro 8.1.iso. Make sure file extension is ISO. Then click to convert normal file to ISO file. Yes, it's done, and get Windows ISO file. Or you can download ISO file from website. Connect USB drive minimum 8 GB, require I connect 16 GB USB drive. Format USB drive with system file FAT32, default. Then open the Power ISO application for make bootable Windows USB drive. Wait 5 seconds and click continue to unregister. Wait 5 seconds and click continue to unregister. Go to Tools, the select Create Bootable USB Drive. Wait 5 seconds and click Continue to unregister. Select the ISO file which is located on desktop. I am select the Windows ISO file. Then select USB drive which you want to create bootable USB drive. That is my USB 3.0 flash drive. Make sure right method is USB HDD. Okay, it's done. My USB drive now on Windows bootable drive. Yes, USB drive now on bootable mode. We can set up Windows by the USB drive. All is okay, now restart your computer. Press ECS on keyboard and choose boot from USB. Yes, finally Windows is set up. Please don't forget to subscribe.